What's ultimate happiness to you? In ancient China, people were believed to become happy when they achieved the state of unity of heaven and humanity. Let's explore this fascinating concept together. Ancient Chinese believed the sky and earth were the best of friends. They worked together to take care of all the plants, animals, and people on our planet. As long as the people respected and took care of the natural world, the sky would always be there to help them overcome any challenges. This harmony and interdependence between the heavens and humanity is what we call unity of heaven and humanity in Chinese philosophy. When you play outside, plant a flower, or help a friend, you are keeping that special connection alive. The Chinese believed by exploring the world with wonder and kindness, amazing things were bound to occur. While the idea of unity of heaven and humanity did not acknowledge the divine in the same way, true happiness comes through harmony between people, nature, and the transcendent. Lasting joy is found not in isolation, but in a right relationship with the Creator and all He has made. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for our next Chinese proverb.